1992 AM General Hummer H1 limited edition here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is number 18 of 316 first gen limited editions that were produced. Back in 1992, they were actually sold factory direct. They're a civilian model based off the military spec M998 Humvee. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile vehicle was 16,438 on the odometer at the moment. 6.5 liter diesel power, and that is turboed. This particular one's turboed with a BMI Commander 6500 series. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, has a newer compressor on it. As you can see, brush guard, and there are pins to pull on the bottom of that brush guard so you can fold it forward when opening the hood. There is a small dinger in the glass up here I want to point out, right here. All right, still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us. 507-386-1726. Riding on 37-inch Wrangler radials made by Goodyear, of course. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You're going to see some special Hummer limited edition badging on this one. Of course, kind of the sand beige in color. Bucket seats. 4-passenger seating. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. It does have a Sony aftermarket stereo in it with Bluetooth, XM, and AM/FM radio capabilities. This particular one, cruise box power windows, so nicely equipped civilian model. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Steel rear bumper, and as you can see, receiver hitch for towing. These do have a nice cargo area in the back of them. Carpeted. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you watched our videos before, you know I always say subscribe to our YouTube channel because you never know what you'll see come through here. Well, here's a prime example. So no matter what you're into as far as vehicles, go ahead and subscribe. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done right off our showroom floor, of course, online. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will get to take this one for a drive. Be a fun one. Hopefully he keeps it on the road and doesn't go off-roading, but can't say I blame him if he does. Be kind of fun. Go ahead and show you this rear seating area. And again, number 18 of 316 limited editions produced back in 1992, sold factory direct. There will be a plaque on the dash of the original purchaser. As you can see here, there's that Sony custom stereo install. Heat and AC controls, and again, AC does blow cold. Let's go ahead and check out the exact miles. So 16,438. And that is confirmed. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. We'll go ahead and turn the key on here. Let's fire it up. All right, fuel gauge. That was at cold start, so I would expect temp gauge to be up. We're going to come over here, battery. You're going to see the oil pressure building. Gas. Stereo system, I love how this is set up in here. Great sounding stereo, by the way, for this thing. All right. There, whoops. There, oil pressure is built up. Battery. Of course, wipers. Here would be your power window switches. Sounds as you'd expect a diesel to sound. Again, 6.5 liter turbo. Nothing crazy for the exhaust or engine that you hear. I'm going to go ahead and pause this, get this hood open so you can check out the engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So forward folding hood, and as you can see, lower the brush guard first. And there is a warning badge right here, so you know to do it before unlocking that hood. Pretty cool. You're not going to see one of these every day. It'll be a lot of fun. 1992 AM General Hummer H1 Limited Edition, number 18 of 316. 16,438 miles on the odometer. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Can you guess what we're driving today? It's wide and it's fun. It is a 1992 Hummer H1. Talk about a party bus. Equipped with extra speakers and a subwoofer. And ready for off-road. As you can tell, this is a diesel. We have a Bluetooth connection screen here for that audio system. We're waiting for a little bit of traffic. We've got power windows in this machine. It is dressed up and ready to go. Our turn signal's working. Battery gauge is showing 14 volts and the oil pressure is over 40. Temperature about 185. And the fuel gauge is showing me a quarter tank. Easy to drive, automatic transmission. Just put it in drive like any other car. You're taking this beast down the highway. It's comfortable. We've got bucket seats, great visibility, and room for, guess how many? I mean, how many do you want to fit in a Hummer? This is a great one to take the whole family and all your friends at the same time. Go off-roading, in parades, just for fun. Easy to drive and durable. We'll see how she does in a traffic circle in just a minute. brakes are nice and smooth, easy to press. You don't have to press them hard just because it's a big vehicle. They work well. Corner's easy to steer. Let's put our foot down. Just cruising along, right down the highway. Easy to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this Hummer at uniqueclassiccars.com.